welcome back to my YouTube channel. So to celebrate the start of spring, because it feels like it's spring right now in Dallas, Texas, I wanted to feature our 3D printed handcrafted Iboju earrings. Now these earrings come in a variety of colors that I think is perfect for spring and summer. Kind of like the yellow that I'm wearing, which is very similar to the Pantone color of 2021. And matches my yellow dress too. I'm definitely ready for spring. But yeah, this is the yellow, and we've got it available in a variety of colors: orange, red, pink, purple, name it, we've got it. And it was inspired by African masks. So there is a cultural significance to it, and if you are interested in learning more about why or the reason for the motif, please head on over to my website, zuriperle.com, and check it out and read up more about it. So when I debuted the earrings, some of you reached out to me and you said that you would prefer the hoops, well, smaller hoops. And guess what? I delivered. So let me introduce the Iboju Mini. She's very similar to the regular. It's just a smaller hoop and a smaller mask. And what I'll do is I'll swap out the one that I'm wearing right now for the smaller mini, and you guys can see the difference. You still get the same statement with the mini. It's just more for the ladies who reached out to me and wanted something smaller for, I guess, an everyday look, because I feel like the mini, you can get away with that every day. The regular, depending on your personality, hey, you can rock it too. But here's the mini. She's a little smaller than the regular, but she still packs the same punch. So I'll wear the regular and you guys can see how they compare when you have them on. And here we go. So this is the regular and this is the mini. I mean, I can't choose. They are both fabulous. And the great thing is we have the regular and the mini in a variety of colors. So if you would like it in a blue, there's the regular, there's the mini. We've got it in the reds. Let me swap my hands out. This is the red. It comes in a regular and a mini. And we've got it in orange and purple and green. Whatever color, we've got you covered. So this summer, I'm going to be rocking my Iboju earrings. I'm yet to decide if I'm gonna be rocking the regular or the mini, but hey, it's all handcrafted by me in my studio, so I guess I could rock either one or both, or I don't know, different colors together. I don't know, I'm spoiled for choice. But I hope you guys will join me in rocking these. So head on over to my website. It's zuriperle.com, and check out my social media handles at Zuri Perle. Thank you so much for watching Zuri's, and like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon.